Every time with the water, every time. Greetings, friends. It's Wednesday, March 16th. We are here at the M. We got a busy day planned. It's beautiful. It's like 60 degrees out today. So let's do it. Let's get prepped for another beautiful day in the Empire State. Here's the start on a 2018 bone stock RS3. The warm start is actually better than the cold start. Most people are cold start fanatics, but this one actually sounds pretty lame and tame on a cold start. All right, let's head out to Smith Racing. So we're still in town, so I'm gonna keep it easy for now. Yep, okay. That didn't take very much. We're about ready to pull into the Smith Racing garage here. This is again their Oxford location. All right, let's see. Okay, so we just pulled into the Smith Racing Garage. We are going to see the micro race car for the first time, see the wrap that's on it, and get our overall reaction. It's his car. I just want him to be happy with it at the end of the day, so I'm not too particular about what's on it. I know that I'm going to like it no matter what it is, pretty much. Anyway, this should be good. Let's check it out. Yo, that looks sick. I put this on so I'll see my actual reaction. Damn, that mat is sweet.
Can we skip to the good part?
Okay, well that went awesome. The race car is looking dope. He was worried that I was not going to like the little white outline around my logo, but I told him, yo, it's your car. I'm happy that you like it. I'm not that particular about my logo on your car, at least not at this point. So we are headed back to the M. Whoa, brother. Oh, Jesus. Hoss. Come on. Okay, quick change up in the vlog sequence. We are super dirty with this car, so we're gonna hit the car wash really quick, get her nice and sudsy, clean her up, and then hit some more errands. All right. All right, so I just popped into Walmart quick to pick up an Apple Pencil. I have some creative work that I'd like to do and try on my iPad, and I've seen some cool tutorials on how to work with these and get some stuff done. So I'm gonna try that out. The Apple Pencil is $130, which is pretty steep for a pencil, but as we know, it's not really a pencil. No one really knows what it does. And we're back at the M.